What's going on? It's Ed here from Geek. It is September 1st. So your excuses are out the window. Summer's over. It's time for you to pick up the phone and start dialing. The old excuse of, oh, it's the heat of summer. It's the dead of summer. People aren't buying anymore, or, it's slowed down because people are on vacation. That excuse is over. September, we're here. Officially not the end of summer. That's not till later in the month. However, business-wise, we're in September. It's back in action. Yes, Labor Day weekend hasn't happened yet. That's in a couple days. Stop it with the excuses. Pick up the phone. Start following up on your old deals in your pipeline that you haven't closed yet because they're waiting until summer is over. Hey, it's September. It's time for you to pick up the phone and start closing deals. There's no more excuses that they're on vacation or whatever it is. Even though Labor Day weekend, did I say Memorial Day? Labor Day weekend hasn't happened yet. Summer's over. So pick up the phone, start closing. Stop making excuses. Summer is over. Tomorrow, I'm going to do a video outlining our stats from August, going through all of our new clients that we took on. I'm going to go through total number. I'm going to go through how we got them. So like what was the lead source or inbound versus outbound, and kind of give you an overview of what we took on. We had a good month. We beat projections for the month of August in a historically slower month. We were able to outpace our projections by a decent bit, and we'll go over all those stats tomorrow. So that's it for today. Yeah, that's all I got. Stop being a wuss. Pick up the phone. Just right here. Just pick it up. Just like this. Go, hello. Buy my stuff. That's it. See you guys. Have a great day. Oh, this is Ed here from Geek. We're a Google Premier Partner Agency. We specialize in lead gen for local businesses. So if you are riding the small business roller coaster, busy one week, slow the next, and we'd like some consistency and velocity in the growth of your business, hit us up. We specialize in lead gen campaigns, again, for local businesses. I'll also drop some links below going over some courses that we have, teaching Google Ads, landing pages, direct mail, some stuff like that. If you need anything, check out the description section. And as always, drop a comment below and give it a thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.